Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options guy and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets are just going, not back edge, but Bank Nifty and Nifty are just going on two different paths over here, right? Bank Nifty opening with a gap up, same as Nifty, but Bank Nifty seeing selling pressure throughout the day, right? Although, I'm saying it's seeing bearish pressure throughout the day, whereas Nifty, if you see, it opened with a gap up, came down, but pretty much recovered and closed at the high, right? So what you can do tomorrow is very simple, right? First of all, in Nifty, if you see, we went down and then started moving up, and as I said, wait for the first 15 minutes high to be crossed if we open with a gap up, right? And as you guys can see, once we opened with a gap up and we crossed the high somewhere near over here, I think the high was somewhere near 750, but yeah, pretty much we closed somewhere over here. So if you're holding your positions, just hold on to them for now, because from here, if we open flat, I think we can expect a very good trend to continue till 18,800. So yeah, if you're holding your positions, it's all right if we open flat or if we open with a gap up, right? Somewhere near 18,780, 18,800. Even if you open at 18,800, same thing. Wait for the first 15-minute candle to be made. Once the first 15-minute candle is made, and once the high of that candle is broken, then you guys can go ahead and make new fresh positions with the target of 18,850 on the upside, right? On the other hand, we should not open with a gap down in Nifty, because what will happen is that, first of all, if you see, we'll also talk about Bank Nifty, but talking about Nifty solely, we have closed in a very positive sentiment, right? So if you open with a gap down somewhere near 18,700, 710, 720, all these levels, then a lot of people will get trapped over here, and most probably we could kind of go down till this. Maybe we could first of all go down till this trend line, wait for some time, and then start breaking down again, and maybe cover this gap over here and then start moving again. That could be a very possible scenario, right? So we should not open with any sort of a big gap down in Nifty, right? A small gap down is fine, somewhere near 18,740, 730, like anything below 720 should be taken with caution over there. And if you are holding your positions and we open somewhere below 720, just exit your positions at the open itself after the first 5 minutes. And I mean, why I'm saying is the first 5 minutes is because the first 5 minutes will tell you pretty much what's happening in the market. Even today, in the first 5 minutes, you would have known that, okay, I do not want to take bullish positions over here, because market could go down a little bit more, right, over here. So over here, same thing. Wait for the first 5 minutes. After that, go ahead and exit your positions if you are holding them below 18,720, because this is the range from where we could see sell off, right? Now there are two reasons. First of all is because a lot of people will get trapped who have made bullish positions today. The second thing is that Bank Nifty, right, even Bank Nifty will open with a gap down, and if you see in the daily charts, I'm going to show you guys, this would be, if so, this was a down move over here, this was a pullback, and now we could see again a down move continuing to the lower levels, right? So this would just be a pullback, and tomorrow we could see a very good sell-off in Bank Nifty also, right? And Bank Nifty particularly has been in a very big range, no, sorry, has been in a range for a very long time. So we could see a move on either side in Bank Nifty, but where should Bank Nifty open for that, right? That's the important thing. So tomorrow, if we open flat somewhere near 44,000, 44,050, 43, 960, 950, all these levels, I think I'm expecting markets to start breaking down from here, right? So tomorrow, if you open flat anywhere near 44,040 and all these levels, as soon as we cross 43,950, today also, as I said, wait for 43,950 to be crossed, right? And as you guys can see, markets taking support from there itself, right? So tomorrow, 43,950, same level. If we cross 43,950 after opening flat, don't hesitate to go ahead and take buy a put option, right? Or you can also go ahead and short call options. But why I am saying to go ahead and buy a put option is because this is the best time. Okay, I do not have the options, but if you go ahead and see the 43,900 put option, it has just closed near something like 88 rupees, right? And tomorrow after opening flat, it will be even lower. So you could get a very good risk to reward ratio on that option, and from it you can easily expect 43,800. Very easily you can expect 43,800, And your second target can also be 43,700 on the downside, right? Because from here, markets have waited for a very, very, very long time, and a lot of people are standing at 44,000 put, have shorted the 44,000 put. So there is a lot of why that can get trapped over here if we start moving below 43,950. On the downside, right? On the upside, very simple, 44,200 will be the important level. So if you open with a gap up, say somewhere near 160, 120, all these levels, we should wait for some time in this range, right? Below 44,200. If we go ahead and straight up go ahead and break out of the zone, most probably the breakout could fail and we could come down again, right? So if we wait over here for some time, even just an hour after opening, right? Maybe just 3 or 4 candles, if we wait below 44,200 and then break out, then we most probably can expect 44,350 first and 44,450 your second target on the upside, right? Because from here, markets, as I say, have waited a long time, and most probably there could be a move tomorrow on the expiry, because a lot of people have shorted the 44,200 call option also and the 44,000 call option also. So there are both put sellers and call sellers in the market at 44,000. So either side we go, right, we could see a very good momentum, because someone is going to get trapped over here, right? And since the market hasn't moved a lot of OI has got created on the 44,000 call and puts. So again, just to recap, below 43,950 is where we'll go ahead and take an aggressive short position. Above 44,200 is where we'll go ahead and take an aggressive buying position, right? But we need markets to wait over here for some time and then break out, right? Make sure to keep that in mind, right? On the other hand, between this level is where we'll take no sort of a trend. We'll just wait for to find out where the market is trying to go. Say we open at 44, 120, 100, all these levels, and then we will see where the market is going. Is the market sustaining itself at higher levels, or is the market again going on the downside? If the market is again going on the downside, then we'll again plan for an aggressive short position over here. If we open with a gap down somewhere near 43,880 or maybe 850, 840, 800, all these levels, wait for the first 5-minute candle, right? Once the first 5-minute candle is made and the low of that candle is broken, then you guys can go ahead and take a short position again. Your first target will easily be 43,700, and your second target can also be 43,600 on the downside, right? Again, if we open above 44,200, which I don't think will happen, but still, if that does happen, same thing. Wait for the markets to make a high, something like this in the first 15-minute candle, right? Maybe tomorrow markets may make a swing high, maybe in the second or the third candle, something like this. Markets may make a high in the third candle or the second candle over here. So wait for the markets to make a high on the upside. Once that high is again broken, then go ahead and take a trade. Once that swing high is again broken, then go ahead and take a trade. Do not go aggressive at the open itself, because most probably there could be a little bit of volatility and your stop loss might get hit first, and then the trade may go in your favor, right? So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. Tomorrow I'm really expecting the expiry to be a very good expiry for option buyers, for directional option buyers. So yeah, I hope you could take benefit of that. And yeah, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.